Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I am going to show you how to factory reset your MacBook. This is super useful if you are selling your Mac, give it away or just want a fresh start. First, make sure you back up your data using Time Machine or iCloud because a factory reset will erase everything on your MacBook. Now simply click on the Apple logo on your screen at the top left corner. Now in here simply go to System Settings. When you are in here, go to the General option and just scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset option on your General. Simply go inside here and as you can see there is an option called Erase All Content and Settings. Simply click on it. After that you will be asked to enter your MacBook password that we have kept as for the login. Simply keep it and MacBook will ask you to remove your Apple ID as well. So you need to know your Apple ID password as well, and after that MacBook will disable your Find My MacBook and just do it once again. After that you will be able to erase all your content and settings from your device. If you are using an older Intel Mac and don't see this option, you will need to restart into recovery mode by holding Command plus R when turning it on. Then use Disk utility to erase your disks and reinstall Mac OS. And that's it guys, your MacBook is now completely reset and ready for a new beginning. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe for more MacBook tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.